Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can use your Upwork app in your mobile phone. So let's just start. So first of all, you have to go to the Play Store, and after going to the Play Store you have to download the Upwork app. After downloading it, you have to install that app. After installing, you will see the app like this. I'm going to open this. Click on the Upwork app. So as you can see, my app is open. Now here's the basic details. Hey, these are the jobs. If you want to apply on the job, you can easily apply on them. Just you have to click on the job. After clicking on the job, you have to read it and all the details, and then click on apply now. You will see the options related to proposal. So I hope if you have used this in desktop version, you will understand that what to do and how to send a proposal. So let's come to the back. Let's go to the back. So now come to the proposal. Here you will see the proposals which you have sent, and here in the contract section you are going to see the contracts. Currently you have all the contracts, you will see here. After that, in the message section, you are going to see your clients who sent you a message or whom with you talk. In the alert section, you are going to see the notifications which are gave by Upwork app to you. So these are the basic notifications you can check here. Let's come to the back job, and here you will see the profile app, and here you will, if you click on your profile picture, you will see some other options right related to profile. If you click on the profile, that how your profile looks or how your client will look your profile. These are the preview options. After that, let's go to the back and click again, and here you will see my status. You will see the status, your analytic of your profile. After that, let's go to the back. In the report section, you will see the reports, all the details. You will see the here how many dollars are in progress, how many dollars are in review, pending, are available. So these are the basic options. So I hope you understand this video, and this video is going to be very useful for you guys. See you in the next video.